Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to unlock Ford F150 steering wheel. Begin by placing the truck in park and removing the key immediately. Check for airbags and wait briefly if you disconnect the battery. Gather a flathead, Torx bits, and gloves before you start. Work in a well-lit, ventilated area and follow safety steps slowly. If you feel unsure at any point, stop and consult a professional to avoid damage or injury. First, try the simplest fix by turning the key while gently moving the wheel left and right to relieve pressure. If you hear grinding or clicking, the ignition cylinder may be worn and need replacement. Check the column cover for broken tabs or screws that keep the lock jammed. Document any damage and keep parts organized when you remove them. These diagnostic steps save time and help you choose the correct repair path. Start with a spray of graphite into the key slot to loosen sticky tumblers without harming electronics. If lubrication fails, remove the steering column covers to inspect the ignition cylinder and lock assembly and replace the faulty part. Use correct Torx bits and keep track of screws so reassembly goes smoothly. Test the steering unlock and ignition function before reattaching covers. If airbag work is needed, consider a qualified technician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.